Many people think they need to spend hours at the gym to get a defined abdomen. But what if I told you that 5 minutes a day could be enough? With planking, not only do you speed up your metabolism and tone your muscles, but you also improve your posture, which makes you appear more confident and secure. And the best part? You can do all of this at home. Want to know how to achieve a flat stomach in a month and boost your self-confidence? Let's find out together. Strengthens core muscles. Strengthening your core muscles is like building the foundation of a house. Planking targets the core of your body, your abs, obliques, and lower back, and is essential for keeping your internal organs protected and preventing issues like hernias. And you don't need to hold the plank forever. Even beginners can start with 15 to 30 seconds a day, and soon notice that their abdominal muscles are getting stronger. The secret here isn't the amount of time, but daily consistency. Have you ever noticed how after a good plank workout, the muscle pump sensation is almost immediate? Now, think about the impact this has for anyone involved in sports or who wants to improve physical performance. Those aiming to build muscles in a balanced way must focus on strengthening this foundation. A strong core not only boosts performance during workouts but also reduces the chances of injury. Imagine the difference when doing exercises like deadlifts or squats with a more resistant core. The improvement in balance and body control is remarkable, something that bodybuilders and top athletes always highlight in their training. Additionally, planking goes beyond visible muscles. It directly impacts mental health, helping to relieve anxiety and stress. After all, maintaining this firm and controlled posture requires concentration and mind-muscle connection. And it's not just about feeling physically good. It's about feeling in control, both in training and in life. And the best part? This feeling only grows as you progress to the next stage, where other benefits of planking begin to appear. Back muscle development. When we talk about planking, few realize how much it strengthens the back muscles. The truth is that holding this position activates both the lower and upper back, creating a natural armor that protects your spine from potential pain. It's almost like having an invisible support system that keeps you aligned throughout the day. One of the greatest benefits of planking is that it helps not only during workouts but also in everyday tasks, like lifting heavy objects or sitting for long periods. That discomfort you feel in your back at the end of the day? It drastically decreases. Anyone seeking solid results, especially in bodybuilding, knows how important it is to take care of their back. Without strong muscles in this area, it's difficult to maintain proper posture during heavy exercises like bench presses or rows. The strength that planking builds allows you to feel your pump muscles in full action, ready to take on new challenges at the gym. Don't be mistaken. The stronger your back, the better your performance will grow. And it's not just about preventing injuries, but about maximizing every movement you make at the gym. Another important point that few talk about. Taking care of your back is also a way to improve your mental health. How? Simple. Constant pain or discomfort in your back directly affects your mood, causing stress and even anxiety. When you strengthen this area with simple exercises like planking, you're not only working the muscles, but also ensuring that you'll feel better both physically and mentally. And with a well-aligned back, the rest of the body starts to respond more positively. And of course, this brings us to the issue of posture, something that connects everything we've talked about so far. Posture improvement. Improving posture is one of the simplest and most effective ways to appear more confident and fit. When you practice planking regularly, you strengthen not just your core, but also your neck and shoulder muscles, which are essential for keeping your head up and shoulders aligned. Over time, this makes you stand taller, both during workouts and in daily activities. It's that subtle change that everyone notices. Few can explain. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to be that person who walks into a room and instantly exudes confidence through posture alone? The effects aren't just visual. Better posture directly impacts your physical and mental health. When your body is aligned, muscles work more efficiently, reducing fatigue and the risk of injury, especially during workouts. This makes a huge difference for those who regularly hit the gym, aiming to build muscles without sacrificing their body long term. And if you're looking for more motivation, remember that better posture also helps optimize other movements like bench presses and squats. Everything flows better when the body is aligned. And it doesn't stop there. Improving posture can also have profound effects on your mental health. Studies show that standing tall can reduce feelings of depression and anxiety. When you walk with your head up and shoulders back, you automatically feel stronger and more in control. And the confidence that comes with it is palpable, both inside and outside of your workout routine. The next logical step? See how this affects your metabolism, an indirect but powerful effect that planking brings. Boosts metabolism. Keeping your metabolism high is the dream of anyone looking to lose weight or define muscles, and planking is an excellent way to get there. When you maintain the correct position, you're working several muscle groups simultaneously, and the more muscles involved, the more calories are burned. This keeps your body in fat-burning mode, even after you finish your workout. For those in the fitness world wanting quicker results, this is an advantage you can't ignore. Think about the long-term impact. With just a few minutes of planking each day, you can give your metabolism a real boost, making it easier to lose weight and achieve that sought-after muscle definition. Many bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts already know that strengthening the core with planking also increases the efficiency of other exercises. This means that, besides losing fat, you're building muscles more effectively. And the best part? All this without spending endless hours at the gym. But here's an important reminder. Planking should be done with proper technique and in reasonable time intervals to avoid overload. If you want to maximize the benefits, start with short, intense sets and gradually increase over time. In just a month, you can see significant changes not only in your physique, but also in the energy you feel throughout the day. Now that your metabolism is in full swing, it's time to see how this connects to balance and muscle coordination. Enhances balance and coordination. When it comes to balance and coordination, planking is a real secret weapon. This simple but powerful exercise strengthens the stabilizer muscles, which are crucial not only for training but also for everyday activity. If you've ever struggled to keep your balance during squats or even when walking on uneven terrain, planking might be the solution. It helps develop body control, something essential in any sport, training, or muscle-building workout. By strengthening these stabilizer muscles, you're preparing yourself to tackle other physical challenges with much more efficiency. Imagine performing complex movements like deadlifts or lunges with more stability and precision. The impact is immediate. Not only will you improve your performance at the gym, but you'll also prevent falls and injuries, something crucial for athletes and those looking to stay active in their daily routines. And this is especially important for those who want to lose weight and gain muscles, as coordination allows for more precise execution of exercises. Here's a practical tip. If you want to intensify the balance and coordination work, try plank variations, like the side plank or plank with arm and leg raise. These variations challenge the body even more, forcing you to constantly adjust your center of gravity. Now that your stabilizer muscles are ready for action, it's time to think about safety. After all, knowing how to train smartly is what really makes the difference. Safe training approach. Training safety is the foundation for any sustainable progress, and planking offers an intelligent approach. Unlike other exercises that can overload joints or demand too much from the body, planking is effective without being aggressive. However, it's crucial to focus on proper technique. Holding a plank for too long may seem challenging, but if you push it too far, you risk compromising posture and straining muscles incorrectly. The key is to opt for shorter sets with a focus on precision rather than getting stuck on time. A good practice is to start with 15 to 30-second sets, especially for beginners. As your body gets used to the exercise, you can increase the time, but always respecting your body's limits. And even for those with more gym experience, the recommendation is to avoid overdoing it. Focusing on shorter sets and maintaining solid technique is far more beneficial than trying to break duration records. After all, who wants to risk an injury when the goal is to gain big muscles and build strength consistently? In the end, the secret to a good workout is consistency and intelligent training. Planking offers a safe way to grow physically without compromising your health, and this strategy applies to any workout, whether you're a bodybuilding athlete or someone simply looking to improve physical fitness and lose weight. Are you willing to do something for yourself today? Ask yourself, how much longer are you going to wait to see the results you've always wanted? Change starts with small steps, and this is your chance to make a difference. So don't waste time. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and keep learning how to transform your life with simple and effective workouts. Let's take this journey together.